Hi guys, today I am 12 days past ovulation. I am 13 days past my peak. We did go in and have our IUI done. We used the donor sperm and my husband's sperm, and we had 50 million as a count. I did just dip some pregnancy tests and I'm waiting on the results. I can tell you that I don't feel pregnant. I mean, yesterday I was feeling some nausea. Today I'm not feeling anything. I am feeling some cramping, which makes me think that my period's coming. I hope that I'm wrong. I'm hoping these are implantation cramps or the beginning of pregnancy cramps, because I have had these before. But usually a few weeks into my pregnancy, when things start to progress more, I don't know. I really don't know what to expect this cycle. I'm thinking maybe even though if it is negative, I should probably go see my doctor just for a count, just to make sure it really is negative, because typically on cycle day 12, I will stop taking the progesterone. And I really don't want to stop taking the progesterone if there's anything showing up at all. So I think I'll go that route this cycle, just to be on the safe side. The doctor did tell me, though, if I do not get my positive this cycle, they do want me to try one more cycle with the donor sperm. They feel pretty confident because of the count that'll do pretty good, but this is my last vial. I don't think my husband is interested at all in using donor sperm if we go with the IVF route, which we were originally going to do this next cycle, but I think we're just going to do one more IUI since we're having the doctor do it and it's such a high count and everything looked good. So I guess we'll see. My only concern with just using my husband's sperm is if there's something wrong with it, since we've not had any issues getting pregnant before, and I just feel a little nervous about it. I don't want it to be a wasted cycle, because I'll have to pay the full amount regardless of whether it takes or not. And like I said, the doctor feels really confident with the donor sperm, so I don't know. I think that we should try the donor sperm, but the doctor is going to charge the same price as if it were two separate IVF cycles, and I don't really feel like that's fair, since it's just the change of donor sperm. I don't see why they can't charge the same price. Maybe a few $100s extra would make sense, but to charge thousands of dollars extra just doesn't make any sense to me. I would hate to go in there and then waste a cycle like that. Gosh, life is just too full of unknowns, and if we just knew a little bit more. I know that may sound corny, but I think it'd be great if we just kind of knew what we were going into to begin with, and it would just save so much time and frustration. Anyway, it's been 3 minutes, so let's take a look at these tests and see what we've got. I don't know. I mean, it looks like there was like a very, very faint line on this one, but it's like so faint that I would not consider that much of anything. Like, that wouldn't be a progressing pregnancy in my opinion, because it should be nice and dark. But there is something there. It's just really, really faint. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Sorry, I cannot stand still at this camera. I mean, it looks like I can kind of see it on the camera, so I'm hoping you guys can see it too. Let's see, I don't know if the brightness will help or not. It'll make things worse. I think that made it worse. I can't tell if there's anything on that one. Let's see. I don't see anything on that one. But as everybody knows, first response is the most sensitive. There is a little bit of something there. So, that being said, I think I will still go and get the beta test done and just double check. Anything less than 5 is considered negative, and from what I understand, first response can pick up your HCG count when it's even less than 5, when it's really faint like that. So we'll see. I guess I'll let you guys know how it goes. Hopefully they'll even consider doing the test. I have no idea if they will, but I wouldn't see why they wouldn't. My clinic is super, super awesome. Hi guys. Okay, so I am 2 weeks past IUI, and I just started a pregnancy test. It is in the process of working. It does have a control line, but I'm gonna wait the full 3 minutes and see what it says. I am a little nervous, just to say the least. A little bit nervous. So, got my fingers crossed. If for some reason it is not good, we are going to jump straight into IVF next cycle. At least that is the plan. We have talked to the clinic already. I guess we'll see. So let's see what's going on here. It's still working. See, it's still pretty pink. Can't tell if there's anything there. I don't see anything so far. We will continue to wait it out the full time, see what happens. Hopefully I get the nice little positive that I'm hoping for. I would love nothing more than to see a dark positive on there, but it's still pretty early, so I don't even know, guys. IVF is like so extreme and very expensive. I really wish it wasn't so expensive. I feel like we should have just jumped into it straight away. From the beginning, we wouldn't have had to wait so long. I think we've spent as much already as we would have spent on like almost 2 IVF cycles. We've gone through so many IUIs, and the average price for each cycle has been $1,000. We've been doing this for about a year now. Oh God, I don't even know what to say. Like, what if it's negative? Then I'm like, okay, what if we go through IVF and it doesn't take? I mean, what if there's something wrong with me now? Like, I can't get pregnant, can't stay pregnant. If this test is negative, I'm gonna have a lot of doubts. A lot of doubts. Let's just really hope it's positive. All right, should be done. I don't know, guys, if I see anything at all there. It looks like there's a really, really faint line there. I mean, it's so faint. It's so much lighter than it was yesterday. Guys, I don't feel confident about this. It's been so much darker. I mean, look at this. I don't know if you can see that faint line there or not. Okay. I don't know if that helps. It's so faint. I don't think it's even visible on the camera. I don't know if you can kind of see it right there. It looks like I can kind of see it. Yeah, it's so faint. This doesn't look good, guys. I don't know. It doesn't look good. I guess we'll have to wait and see if my period starts. If it does, then we know it'll be time to start IVF. Unless the doctor wants to try something more invasive first. I don't know what else is left. I mean, I think we've tried everything. You know, because we've done letrozole, we've done the gonal with the Ovidrel shot. I mean, I really don't think there's anything else left. It's more of getting the eggs out and fertilizing them and putting them back in my uterus. It's really at that stage. I don't see how anything else is going to work. My biggest concern is going into IVF and it not working either. Like, what if we put the embryos in there and they still don't take? Like, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to be like so heartbroken because this is so much money that we have invested towards this, and I'm just really nervous, guys. Anyway, I'll keep you guys posted if something positive does happen, and if not, then I'll let you guys know about IVF or what next cycle is going to bring. Talk to you guys later. Hi guys. So yesterday I went ahead and got the blood work done like I said I was going to, and it was as I expected. It was negative. So right now I just got done with my appointment at IRH. So we are officially looking into IVF, and you will see here is the building. It's a very large building. They have a small office in there, but it's a nice cute little office. And we are going to go ahead and do one more cycle with the IUI because I have the 1 vial of donor sperm left. I want to make sure that it doesn't go to waste because at this point we can't send it back, can't get a refund, so we are going to go ahead and use that. And I don't expect to get pregnant, but maybe out of some miracle we will. We'll see. That's really all I had to update you guys with today. I'm looking over here and it looks like they're doing some kind of testing on people. This whole get in line and get tested for COVID thing. That wasn't there when I first got here, but it is definitely there now. So, very interesting. Anyway, I am going to get back on the road because I have about a 40-minute drive to get home. So I will update you guys later.